I think everybody here understand how it feel last weekend. Oh my God. It's like a roller coaster. This is the life. This is trading. If you are new here in trading, you have to understand the nature of Bitcoin, how it moves. It is what it is, we have to accept. Many people lost a lot of money. I heard somebody lost millions of dollars, but I'm lucky that I didn't get any liquidate because I have my strategies that save me from the event like this. In last cycle 4 years ago, I was once got liquidated big time, and that was my lesson learned. Okay, now come back to chart and let's see. Okay, where should we start? Okay, let's start from basic first. If you guys watch my channel from the beginning, you will know that we are buying here. We bought from here all the way up to here, and that is a big profit. We of course we buy spot, and we also are trading on futures, but I will warn you guys that you should be conscious about futures trading. All right, don't use too high leverage. You can use high leverage, but you need to understand the strategy, and you need to come with the safest strategy that will protect you from the liquidation like this. All right, that what once, or like this. This is the second time. All right, this is a like old charts that I use from 2022, and you see drawing here. Actually, I have different version of charts, but on YouTube, to make it easier to understand, I show you guys this. You can see, let me explain if you are here for the first time. I have my gray zone here. Gray zone meaning is like roughly, it's not like focusing, it's like rough channels that I think price going to stuck there and trading around this. And I have the black zone here. This is my trading zone, actually war zone. And I have box like this one, you see, right? This box is like, this is cushion. This is my consider buy area. Also, I have box here, and I consider buy here. Of course, I told you about this. Okay, first let me switch into another screen. I have something like this. This is the version that I zoom in on, zoom in into this section only. All right, this is only this section zoom in. Okay, now we zoom in into that section between 88,000 until 100,000, something like that. Okay, we are here. Switch to back screen. Back screen is more like more detail for trading. This I use for big picture. This I use for focus zooming. And I also draw the line about where will be my battle zone. And you see in my big picture I have color of charts, so it's easy to see about where it's up, where it's down. But when I zoom in, I remove all the colors because it's easier to see for me, but it's up to you. It's up to you how do you set up. but like this is a level. The orange line is a level that I trade. I call this strategy roof breaker. I call this strategy roof breaker. And if you want to, by the way, if you want to see it in real time, when I do trade or some notification, some major event pop up, most of the time I do post on my X or previously Twitter. This is my handle, the Tuniverse. Okay, you can follow me there and you can see roof breaker strategy there. In this dark theme, a few days ago I was tweet about this white dotted line. If you can see white dotted line here in this area, and this is basically is a represent of a level of a middle level between the ground and the roof here. Actually, sometimes when you never know, sometimes price come down, it never hit the ground. Sometimes it has air break and it's come up, and it go down again to hit. We never know. By the way, I set alert on this line, and when the price broke, I just okay, it's time to be focused on trade, right? Okay, here in this area, in this area, in white dotted line on my, I have tweet about it. On Sunday, I guess, and I said, be careful when price is enter this level, and I'm going to trade. All right, and because price it went down so quickly, I didn't. This is my style, so I will tell you a little bit about my style. I am not like I'm going to buy here, price it come and I buy here without see the market perspective, what is going on right now at the moment in the market, right? I don't do that. But what I will do is when the price enter this zone, I put on alert. I will be alert, and I see it down here to touch the ground level, touch this ground, this level, and then I will see what I'm going to do. And I wait until price it broke back up. Price broke back up into this level, and then I get when the price move into this zone, I consider buy, and of course I bought it there. I bought it here. I bought it around this white dotted line, and my TP is also in the middle of range, is around here on the wick there. As you can see, let me show you my P&L here, right? So this is my P&L on this trade. So I would not say this is not easy trade. You need to have experience to know about level, and somebody do support and resistance, but I do something like this very easy. Level, I trade level by level. When it comes here, when maybe I will buy something here and then sell something here, level by level. Yeah, if you see, this is the circle that I bought here, and then I still hold them because I have so many of the position there. So average, I still in profit, and I also have something below here too, like below, right? So this is roof breaker strategy that give me this profit in one-day trade. All right. If you follow my trade more, click on the video, click like, ask me my question so we can learn this together. But one thing I just want you to understand, the purpose of this channel is not only about trading. All right, it's about how you can be financial freedom. And if you trade, let me pull this off. If you trade on Bitcoin and you switch into USDT, you trade BTC to earn USDT, something like that, how you gonna be financial freedom? You understand this, right? Okay, because inflation, money devalue, you cannot fight with the government, you cannot fight with money devalue. This is why I do this channel and I name it We Trade Bitcoin, right? We're not trading shitcoin, we trade Bitcoin. And the reason that we trade Bitcoin, not because of short-term profit. I want you to have long-term gains and have financial freedom. If you understand this, you trade BTC to get more BTC. Okay, think about that. I don't want to explain this in this video, but maybe next video I will talk about it. All right. So come back to what I think about this. First, let's zoom out. Okay, zoom out. We back into white screen and zoom out a little bit. I just start from 2024. Let's start from 2024 in January. We can see something like this. We have how many percent? Around 88% up, and then we have sideways, and then we have another how many percent? We have another 121% up. So will this be the top for this year? Okay, if we measurement from the lowest from 2024 up to the highest, we are 185%. We never know. We never know. We never know. Let's come back. Yeah, come back to the start. To the start. To the lowest. To the highest. Yeah, let's measurement from the lowest to the highest. How many percent are right now? We are from here to here 600%. So historically of Bitcoin, this can be very high, but because of the fundamental change, let me turn this off. Do you see something? Because the fundamental change, we never see institution, governments, banks, corporates come to Bitcoin like this. And this, I have something that I want you to realize about wick. Okay, let's look at the wick here. What drawing I should use here? Okay, let's do cycle. Look at the wick. Look at this. It's quite big. Look at this. Okay, we start from here first. Look at this wick. Yes. Look at this wick. Down and back up. Look at this wick. Okay. When I draw something like this, and you can see Okay, maybe we have something more here. This is also a big line, but not very big. Yeah, when I do something like this, you can see it's like a map of I don't know what to say, bomb target, let's say target battle zone, let's say battle zone. When it width down here, you can see this this large of amount that people are coming to buy, right? It's not only 2 times, it's not a lot, mostly price um, hovering this box, this battle zone during the battle zone here, but it's never come back down. We have only 2 dip, 1, 2, and then to the moon, right? But let me zoom in here closer, look carefully about this week alone, this one, the first bubble. Let me zoom here into the base of the candle body. Let me zoom small it into base of body here. Okay, what do you see? This one for the first time, even this week, is larger than this one at level at 40, 48, 50 something dollars. This is bigger, and it's happened. Oh, these two. Let me add here. This week too. Okay, this it look like a heat map when the price reversal down and then bought back up very quickly. Bam, first, bam, second time, and this week alone is like a little bit the same size with this one, and this week again it came back down here. Bam, 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 second time, bam, third time, and then yesterday, bam, even larger than this one, a little bit larger than this one. Look here, we have bull attack coming to buy here. 1, 2, 3, 4, bam, 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 bam. You see? And what about selling? When the price is top, we most of the time we will see something like this, like wick down here. Let me show you this one. Okay, let me show you this one. Okay, this is too big. Wrong. Let me do it again. Delete. Let me try one more time. We will see wick down like this. Okay, this is wick down, and let me change the color to red. All right, we have only 2 wick down here. That is very long wick candle. We have 1 and 2 here, only 2 times. That this is long. How many percent? Let me check how many percent. Zoom in from top to base. 6% minus 6%. And what about this one? This one 5%, around 5-6%. We have only 2 times, but this we don't count. It's like you know it's like normal. We not count on this. I don't count on that. Only 2 times. And here we see we don't have any long wicks. Only buy down here, right? So is this top? I don't think so. Compared to how much we have attacking from bull trader coming to buy and waiting it for a dip and buy, bam, 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 bam. Of course, somebody's sell here, because if you see the price level, let's do level at mostly people psychological level is around 100,000. 100,000 is where's 100,000 here? This is 100,000 at the blue line. You see, it happened exactly first time at 100,000. This is psychological resistance because we don't have anything up there. And then of course somebody will we want to take a profit if you earn something like this, and maybe you hold from here. That makes sense that you take some profit, you know. I didn't take any profit. I didn't sell spot yet because I don't think this is the top. I don't think this is top. I didn't scale out anything at all, right? And then, okay, come back, zoom in here. We have only 2 weeks, and then this we have a lot more that bull coming to buy, all right? And because of this, look at last one. Look at the last 2 bomb. You can see this week. This week, when it happened, and it shoot back up, and it made all-time high, and then it cooling down into this zone, and it shoot back up. This is just the first day, and now we have some retest. It might come back down. We never know. I don't know. It might come back down into this last buy target. Let me do this into this candle. It might come back down to here, or it might not. We never know, right? But this look like it coming into the mid area, into the mid range, all right? And okay, now we zoom in into this area only. I need to explain you because we have newcomer watching this video. We will zoom in into this box in next screen, and it will turn to black. Okay, this one, this is more like a degen. This is more degen trade. I use this screen for trading on futures market also, right? It look like it want to come down into this, like we bought it back from here, going back up here, and maybe I think it want to come down here before it will do something. Maybe it will do something like this, made another high, something like this is possible. Okay, 2 scenario. I think this is I have in my mind. It might want to test this. We need to wait until higher low, and I think higher low can be in the middle, in the mid range. It doesn't mean it need to come to touch this white dotted line. After it broke here, down here, it can stop from here and it go up, possible. Or let me stop, delete this. Or it might come down to this dotted line and then up again, something like this. We will see, right? Or another scenario, it could make another low here to make sure that we cannot go lower. If this is gonna be fun part. If I don't want it to see it, but if it come back down into this level, between this range into this range, it need to attack, you know. It's like how, because when I trade, I have charts, but I am not looking at the price action only. I am think in the psychological ways when it come down, and of course people will be scared. It's very scary. People panic, people sell, people got liquidated. And how many people still bullish? How many people still bullish that they will come in to buy into this box or this box? This is the question that this is something that I looking forward to see when most people are panic, right? If it come back down to here, okay, let me do this again. When it come back down to here, it look like Bitcoin going to die. Oh my God, it break lower. Whatever it stop into this level, it might stop here, and if it moves above this level, this dotted level, for me, I will take it like this. I think we're gonna see higher high, something like this. This is very important because every time when it come back down, almost die, and people scare. And if it's not die, if it survive, we're gonna have blue sky, and I am waiting for that. But anyway, today I am not going to do anything. I have some small shorts position open, just if it down to in the area of dotted line, I just close. But all at the same time, if it's not moving anywhere else, I will just close my short. This is my first scenario that I hope is going to happen. It can come deep into this box, or it may not come into this box. It maybe it just stop here. We never know. Depends on how bullish people are. I cannot tell you that, but to be a good trader, this is what I learned in my experience of trading in real life. Since I know Bitcoin, before I start on Bitcoin, I start in stock market. I do fundamental trading, reading a financial report, and then I come to trade. You need to put your time, you need to put your experience, and your experience will tell you what you will do, right? Let me show you this one more time. I know it's just small P&L. When I trade future, I never expect to have like, oh my God, 100%, 200%, something like that. Of course, I do high leverage, but I do it with small size. You know what I mean? I do it with small size. If I got stopped, it's okay. Yeah, but I never let myself into the trouble until I got liquidated. No liquidation events that going to happen to me. I have my lesson learned from last time, and I am not going to allow it to happen with me again. All right, so it could be two ways. It can stop here, it can go down, but I personally want to see people panicking again, and hope price will be come down a little bit more here. We will see, but today nothing much. We are waiting for mostly political around the world that going to affect this, especially USA, Bitcoin reserve, things like that. Today they will have some news, some meeting to announce from the government. Stay tuned on the news and Donald Trump teams, and we will see what's going to happen in the future under Donald Trump administration. Alright guys, this is all the video. I hope you trading with conscious, focus. Especially this time, you need more focus. It's not like on the way up or on the way down. It up and down, something like this. You know, when it's up and down like this, we have volatility. And if you are in focus, you can make money neither the way up or down, and you can protect your portfolio. You can learn from it. Yeah, a lot of fun thing and experiences that you will learn in training. All right, so if you like this video, if you like the way how I'm doing this, just please subscribe, click like, give me some comments. So if you want me to talk about something, you know, but I'm not going to use like any indicator, because this is how I trade. It's simple like this. You know, I don't look at the open interest. I used to, but anyway, it doesn't matter for me. All right, guys. See you next video. Thank you very much to spend time with me, and in next maybe 2 days I will be back with new video. Goodbye.